Are you getting a lot of annoying emails or spam in your inbox? In this quick video, I will show you multiple ways to block any email on Gmail and stop them forever. Before proceeding, make sure you have like and subscribe ITPK and let's get started with the method 1. In your Gmail inbox, open up the email that you want to block. Then go to these three dots and you will find block option here. Just go ahead and click on block button. You will get a message that future messages from this email will be marked as spam. That's fine. Again, click on block. Once you block the person's email, you could see that you block this email future messages from this center will be sent to spam. You could unblock this email directly from here, and also you have an option to move the current email to spam. If you click on move to spam, and this email is marked as spam. Now let's see the next smarter method. In your Gmail inbox, you will see this filter button. Just click over it, and here go ahead and enter the email you want to block without opening it. There are some filters if you want to apply, and click on search. So here, let's say we want to block this email. Select this, and here you will get report spam option. And if you right click over this email, you will find an option move to spam. Now conversation has been marked as spam. Now Gmail will be going to block every future email from this specific sender. For any random email, just go ahead and select the email, and here you have the button to report email as spam. Gmail will automatically mark this email as the spam email and move them to the spam folder. And finally, I want to show you the most important tip. If you want to unblock any of the email, just go to this gear icon on the right top of your screen, click on see all settings, and here please go to filters and block address. Here you will find all of the emails that you have just blocked. If you want to unblock them, just go ahead and click on unblock. Again, unblock. So that's it. These are all the legit methods we have currently to block Gmail addresses. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe ITPK, and I will see you in the next one.